Hi, I'm Ray Frobacillo, President and founder of Superstud Building Products. Superstud is a family-owned and operated business founded in 1973. When we started, we had 6 dedicated employees. It took a few hard years for us to prove ourselves to our customers and to show them that our fledgling company could service their needs. Over the past 46 years, we have grown our company, and today we employ over 250 associates. I have seen many of their children graduate college and many retire. Superstud is a leader in design build solutions. Our company manufactures cold form steel framing, structural and interior framing products. We are the only steel framing manufacturer that has engineered product safety solutions with a dedicated team of experts and engineers. Together with our affiliate companies, we proudly manufacture and supply all of the necessary products and components to construct a complete dried-in structural shell. When we review applications for potential employees, we look for motivation and willingness to learn and to grow within the organization. The growth of our business relies heavily on the dedication of our employees, and that starts with you. You're here because we see you share the same values we do in keeping our business constantly moving forward. Hard work, commitment, and a customer-first mindset. Some of our most successful employees that have been here for decades all share the similar traits. They come to work every day ready with a positive attitude, eager to work as a team to accomplish production goals that support our customers. You'll quickly learn that your work directly impacts the building industry. The products you will make will soon be used in residential homes, office buildings, hospitals, and high-rises. And there's nothing more rewarding than being a part of it. You'll learn the importance of teamwork and efficiency in meeting deadlines and delivering products on time. There's a saying, people are known by the company that they keep. But what I say is a company is known by the people it keeps. Our employees are the lifeblood of our operation. Without our team, we wouldn't be able to provide outstanding customer service. We're different because our people are really special. We offer competitive benefits, flexible shift times, and opportunities for growth and advancement. There are a lot of opportunities here at Superstud. If you're willing to apply yourself to our work ethics, you'll find your experience both challenging and rewarding.
My name is Curtis Hawkins, and I am a material handler helper. The thing I like about working here is no one really is left alone handling anything by themselves. There's always help there. It's straight to the point.
My name is Salvador Sepulveda. I am a Yardie man. I've been here for 2 years. It's a fast-paced environment. It's exciting.
I'm Sheila Williams. I'm a machine operator. I like training the new hires.
My name is Santos Ventura. Yo estoy trabajando aquí como operador de máquina. Me gusta ser de operador de máquina, todo eso.
With our new technology and state-of-the-art machinery that we have, revolutionary products are changing the building industry. And with a team of dedicated associates ensuring our success, our future is bright.